Guys, besides installing Python directly from website, there is another options to install Python with Pyenv. It is a simple Python version management tool. It lets you easily switch between multiple versions of Python. It's simple, unobtrusive, and follows the unique tradition of single-purpose tools that do one thing well. I will show you how to install Pyenv in Windows using PowerShell. First of all, please activate your PowerShell like this. This is PowerShell. It's not Windows command prompt. So how to activate this one? You might just do Google and do some research and how to install this one. If you have a question, what is PowerShell? Let me tell you, PowerShell is a cross-platform task automation solution made of a command line shell, a scripting language, and a configuration management. Kindly check on Google how to install it, and after that, come back and follow this tutorial again. Okay, on your browser, let me show you how to install PyEnv in Windows PowerShell. You just need to type INV IANV in Windows. Then you select the first one in GitHub. Okay, let me see what is this. Please scroll down a little bit, and then we here in README file we are going to start from this one. Quick start. And what you need to do is just to copy this line and then open your PowerShell. Just uh, paste it here. Okay, let me copy one more time. It's not copied yet. Yeah. Afterwards, you might hit enter. Yeah, because I already installed the PyAnv, then I will not have any more instructions in it or any more progress of installations. But for you, for the first time installing, you will see different result. After making sure that it is already installed, the next question is how to use this PyEnv. If we come down a little, we will see that to run, if this PyEnv version is successful installed, what we need to do is just copy this command, and then we need to make sure that it is already installed. And yeah, I already installed it, and this is the versions of my PyEnv. Maybe different from you according to this video recorded. And then the next step is pyenv install -l to check a list of Python version. This is to make sure or to check which Python version you want to install inside your machine. As you see, this is all the Python versions. So here you are free to select which Python version you want to use or install inside your machine for sure. Because I already installed it, I will not install it again, but let me show you how to do it with PyEnv. Yeah, like this number 5, PyEnv install version to install the supported versions. And like this, let's say you want to use this one, 3.11.0 PyEnv, PyEnv install, and then the versions of the Python listed here. Then you just need to hit enter, and the PyEnv will select automatically for you and will set it as a global Python environment. This version of Python will be everywhere inside your machines. Unless you are going to use another version of Python, then you use it inside your own local project. So let me show you after this installation finish. All right, after installation complete, as you see in your screen, the next step is check which Python version you are using and its parts. So the way we are going to check it by using this one, and here we set 3, 10, 11 as a default, as a global version. It's installed inside this directory. So yeah, you might seems different with your environment. And how to update PyEnv if you have installed it? This is a good questions. In this GitHub README file, there is a way how to do it in your PowerShell. What we need to do is just to copy this one, then put it in your paste it in your PowerShell, and then just hit enter. And you see that this one is updated and already updated. So this is how we install the PyEnv in PowerShell. Let me show you how to install it also in Linux and also in MacBook.